Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from Seychelles, and today we are going to be taking a look at BigONE. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. BigONE is a popular spot trading cryptocurrency exchange that offers more than 170 crypto pairs, margin trading, and flexible high-yield staking plans. This exchange was founded in 2017 by Bitcoin investor Li Xiaolaia, and it is registered in the Seychelles. BigONE offers a beginner-friendly mobile application with updated crypto market news and a trading academy. With BigONE, you can also take out loans on Bitcoin, Ether, and Tether, and use other cryptocurrencies as collateral or join the proof-of-stake mining pools. BigONE is a popular exchange for margin trading, spot trading, quantitative trading, futures trading, and liquidity trading. With BigONE margin trading, you can leverage your tokens by up to 10 times, or up to 100 times if you are trading perpetual futures. BigONE can also be used for trading ETFs and strategy trading. Quantitative trading is a type of strategy trading where grids are used, and you can choose from a variety of strategy templates on the BigONE website. BigONE offers more than 100 cryptocurrencies and over 170 trading pairs. To view the trading instruments you can trade on this exchange, click on the Markets tab and either choose to view instruments by cryptocurrencies or by categories. You can also click on the Trade tab if you'll be trading spot markets, futures, and/or ETFs, or if you'll be using the quantitative trading tools or trading on margin. Alternatively, click on the Futures tab to access the leveraged perpetual futures and the STAR program dashboard. The BigONE customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via live chat. We would recommend visiting the FAQ section to view user guides and see if your questions have already been answered. You can also submit a request directly from the website and visit the Help Center to access helpful articles and guides. If you are new to trading crypto, you can use the BigONEpedia to help you start up your account and place your first trade. Here, you will also find guides on taking out crypto loans and tutorials on trading futures, selling long and short, using margin, and understanding how positions work. We highly recommend reading over these guides before you make any trades to make sure you understand how crypto trading works. Once you have familiarized yourself with the basics of crypto trading, you can download the BigONE mobile application, log into your account, and make your first deposit. Once your account is funded, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. This app can be used to access liquidity mining and grid trading pools, create watch lists of your favorite cryptocurrencies, view detailed technical analysis charts, and easily manage your account. Download links for the mobile application can be found on the homepage. You can increase your earnings with BigONE Earn by staking your cryptocurrencies. Currently, you can stake Bitcoin, Tether, Polkadot tokens, Ether, the USD coin, and EOS tokens. BigONE offers fixed and flexible staking plans with high yield returns, and this is a great way to earn interest on cryptocurrencies that you are not using or trading. You can also join the BigONE Polkadot slot auctions to vote for your favorite projects and earn rewards while doing so. To participate in the Polkadot slot auctions, you will need to stake some of your DOT tokens. There are currently more than 10 projects that are open for voting, and if the project you vote for is successful, then you will be rewarded in DOT plus the project's token. This is a great way to support upcoming Polkadot projects by helping them raise funds. You can also use BigONE to create Zin nodes for Mixin, which is a decentralized network that is used for transferring and storing digital assets, and you will be rewarded daily for running nodes. If you want to loan Bitcoin, Ether or Tether, you can use more than 10 cryptocurrencies as collateral with BigONE loans. This is a great way to get the crypto you want using the crypto you have, instead of buying more cryptocurrencies. The BigONE Star program is a referral program that allows you to earn up to 70% commission rebates from the people who join using your link, and a further 10% rebate on your personal transaction fees. With the BigONE Rewards program, you can earn free crypto for completing tasks, so be sure to visit the Rewards Hub to see how you can earn more. BigONE does not currently use a native token. However, you can get discounts on your transaction fees by simply inviting your friends to join. The exchange does not currently offer a proprietary wallet. However, we do recommend connecting a third-party wallet to your BigONE account. Some of the best wallets you can use include Trust Wallet, the Coinbase Wallet or Ledger. Trust Wallet is free to download and use. This wallet supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The Coinbase software wallet supports more than 4,000 digital assets and offers a built-in decentralized application browser. It can be used to store NFTs as well and integrates seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange. You can easily create an account with BigONE in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the BigONE homepage and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and your account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified, set up, and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. After you have created your account, you can buy crypto using your credit card, Alipay, Pix, or WeChat. And if you use these methods, you can pay using fiat currencies. Before you buy crypto, make sure you know which pairs you will be trading, so that you have the right base currency for the trading pair that you wish to trade. So, what do we like about BigONE? BigONE is a beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange with flexible staking plans on major cryptocurrencies. This exchange offers a wide range of trading pairs and a powerful mobile application. With BigONE, you can run Zin nodes, loan crypto, stake crypto, and trade crypto with ease. If you are interested, be sure to open your BigONE account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your referral bonus, get a discount on your trading fees, and a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of BigONE. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.